Is your favorite Steam game stuck on preparing to launch? Don't worry, as in this video, we will guide you through some quick fixes. Let's begin. Try verifying game files inside Steam. To do that, open Steam on Windows and navigate to your library. Right-click on the game that's not launching and select Properties. Click on the Local Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, and Steam will check the files. Lastly, the most effective way is the compatibility mode in Windows. Open Steam and go to the affected game's properties. Now click on the Local Files tab. Click on Browse Local Files. Now, inside the game folder, right-click on the game's executable file and click on Properties. Now go to Compatibility and select the option as Windows 7 under Run this game drop-down menu. Now go back to Steam and run the game directly from Steam. This should fix the game running on Windows. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.